Oh, they disputed. Yeah, they disputed, bro. No, I didn't. Like, you record this and they won't start the match. Just record that they wouldn't start the match. It was set for 8:45. What is it? I was late, dude.
You guys talking?
Uh,
Are they in the room?
yeah, they're in the fucking room.